Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here in this video, I have taken a simple problem which will tell you how you can tackle the concept of recursion. Whenever this kind of problem comes, how you can easily solve it and get the answer. This is a very simple example of recursion. Now let me first tell you what recursion actually means. So basically, returning a function inside the same function is nothing but recursion. You can see that the same function is calling itself inside the body of it. Now there are certain advantages of using this recursion concept. So first you can see that inside the line number 1, what function is defined. Next, you can see that in line number 6, we have called the function what with the parameter 6 in it. Now, since what function is called with the parameter 6, n value comes out to be 6. Now you can see that in the if condition, if n equals 1 or 0, then only the code will execute inside it. But the if condition doesn't satisfy, hence the return statement which is written on line number 4 will execute, and it says that it will return a value which is n into again what function is called with the parameter n minus 2. So n here is 6 into, now again what function is called with n minus 2, which means this particular value of what of n minus 2 is yet to be calculated, and hence it will call again the what function, but this time now the parameter will be 4 because 6 minus 2 is 4. You can see the diagram depicts the hierarchy. Now again we need to jump to the definition of what function with the parameter 4. Here now n value is 4. Again the if condition doesn't satisfy, hence the line number 4 will be executed and n into what of n minus 2 will be returned. Here n is 4 and what of n minus 2 is again to be calculated. You can see that what of 6 is calling the function what of 4, and what of 4 will call now the function what of 4 minus 2, which is what 2. Now since again the function what is called, we need to jump into the function definition. So you can see that we need to first check the if condition. If n equals 1 or 0, it will execute as return 1, but since this doesn't satisfy, then the return statement on line number 4 will be executed, and again you can see that the return value is 2 into again what of n minus 2. Here now n is 0. So what of 0 will be called inside the function definition. If we go, we will check on line number 2 if n equals 1 or 0. Now this time the if statement is actually satisfying the condition, and therefore the return value will be 1 this time. Hence r gives out to be 1. Now you can see that at this particular point the calling of the function repeatedly has got terminated and a whole value has got returned. So now what of 0 is giving us the value 1, but if you remember, what of 2 was calling the function what of 0, hence we need to write 2 into 1 instead of what of 0. Now you can calculate 2 into 1, which is 2. Hence go back in the execution step of what of 4 and fill the value where what of 2 was called. 4 into 2 gives out 8. Now you can see that what of 6 was calling the function what of 4, hence fill the value and write 8 as the answer in place of that. Now you can see that we just have to calculate 6 into 8 inside the what of 6 execution step, and there we go, we have got the answer. So you can see that the entire problem statement is giving us the answer as 48. I hope you have got how to tackle recursion problem. Now I have debugged the entire code. Now I would like to ask you one question: which data structure is getting used when we are dealing with recursion problem? Comment your answer. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you.